Ever felt like your sneeze could blow down walls? You're not far off. When you sneeze, your body launches a surprise attack, blasting air and tiny droplets out of your nose and mouth at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. That's faster than most cars on the highway. It all starts with a tickle in your nose, triggering a powerful reflex. Muscles in your chest, throat, and face contract together, building up pressure. The result? A sudden explosive release designed to eject irritants. Next time you sneeze, remember, you're unleashing a force of nature.